Here's how we can use the iPad as a whiteboard in a Google Meet. Let me explain that. Let's get started. If this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Of course, the a whiteboard on the iPad has to be used through an app. So first of all, it would make sense to get an app from the App Store, which basically does the purpose of being a whiteboard. So you can look that up, and there are going to be many options for you to pick from. So of course you can get something very simple, or you can even get a Microsoft Whiteboard, which is one of the bigger companies which have their whiteboard app on the iPad. So you can get that for free, get started. And the point is that when you are on your Google Meet session, you are calling with someone, you can basically try to share your screen with other people, so you can connect and join a meeting, then click on share screen. And what you are going to do is that you are going to leave the app temporarily, like you are still connected to the meeting, you are just sharing your screen, and you just go to the whiteboard app and you can try to draw or explain something to the other people connected to you over the meeting, right? So that is generally the blueprint behind that. Like, you have a whiteboard app, but on the Google Teams meeting, the Google Meet, you basically just try to share the screen and show the whiteboard, as the app that you are sharing. So I hope it makes sense. That's just generally how it would work. I really hope I can help you out with that. If there are some more questions you might have specifically about this, let me know below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the upcoming videos as well.